Hey traders, hope you're having a wonderful Easter. We're going to hope for some Easter-like miracles on XRP to USD because that's the asset we're looking at right now. Just a quick Sunday update for you. Wow, man. We were up here at that 33.165 cent area. That was like a 30%, 40% retrace, something like that. And we didn't really know. It could have pivoted here and run again, but hey, we had the projection of like that last area where we could go before the pattern became invalid. We're at it. All right. You go any lower than this, you break below an 88.6% retrace from A to B. That's pathetic, man. All right. So this is not an entry. Okay. Don't think this is an entry. We had actually preemptively plotted this. Normally with these harmonic patterns, we're always with these harmonics, unless you're talking about like the bullish 5-0 or potentially the shark. You take the entry at D. Okay. D here is for the X, A, B, C, D. We want to take an entry there. And then X, A, B, C, D. We take the entries up here for the shorts. So here is not particularly where I'm saying someone should enter for a low risk, high reward opportunity. But we do know we're still in the middle of this trade on this one. We hit the 382 retrace. We went up, hit a 50% retrace, but never got to our secondary target. Only hit our first target, okay, which is fine. There's 3 targets. A lot of times you don't hit the third one, but sometimes you don't hit the second one ever. So really need to see ourselves pivot here if we want to see a bullish bat play out. But it's really kind of very disappointing, I guess, like the way XRP is responding to any type of red behavior or bearish behavior on Bitcoin. Bitcoin sold off. It's barely below the 20 moving average. Has barely lost any money, like about $60 down today, but XRP has gone from like a 40 to 50% retrace all the way down to an 88.6% retrace. If Bitcoin decides it wants to sell off and doesn't want to hit that 886 that we want, 5420, which it may never hit it. If it doesn't, man, this thing is not going to hold up with the 886. So you better get some relief from Bitcoin soon. Otherwise, this will be an invalid potential bearish bat pattern where, C to D leg could run you all the way up to the secondary and third target for our bullish cipher. Okay, but good news is we took some profit, got some money on the on this pattern. So the trade was successful, even though it did not hit the second, third target yet. We're anxiously waiting and hoping that we could pivot here at the 886. But the issue is, look, I'm looking at the 60-minute chart and I'm seeing nothing. Right? I see that we're a little oversold. Okay. Support wise, and not really anything that stands out. I mean, there's a lot of chop all over the place, but I don't really see us holding anything specifically. And again, there's no real divergence going on. If anything, you got 60-minute bearish convergence, where every time you make a low, you're making lower or higher levels of negative momentum and lower levels of relative strength. 60-minute, man. Well, normally you're looking for something like that around these areas. We got nothing. All right, and then you've got, I don't know. I mean, I guess maybe one could argue and say like 2 downsloping converging trend lines, maybe. But again, we don't really even know. I mean, maybe it's a falling wedge. Maybe, dude. But no coinciding variables to go with it, really. All right, so this is it. Do or die time. You break below this for real, it's pretty much done for any kind of cipher. Or not cipher, but harmonic, or in this particular situation, the bearish bat, potential bearish bat pattern. All right, so 4-hour chart again. Here are the targets, right, of the bullish cipher. Okay, XABCD entry. You immediately, just as soon as we hit our entry, it was beautiful, ran up, hit the 382, then actually went to the 50% again. And that, where was that 50%? It was right at the downsloping resistance. So that huge triangle we've been developing since when? Like September, November of 2018. You're getting towards that apex, man. Big moves coming by May. All right, big move to the upside, downside. Not sure which way it's going to go, but I'll say this. I think there's, we'll see. I think there's more support below us in this situation than there is resistance above us, which is different for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like at 5,800, 6,000. There's more resistance above us than there is support below us. So that's good, at least, right, on XRP. But again, man, you got to make something happen. It really sucks. The negative momentum continues to build. So you're getting close to oversold territory, but not yet. So you could continue selling off. You're starting to, I mean, you're bearishly engulfing right now on this 4-hour candle that closes in 8 minutes. You're going to get a confirmed bearish engulfing candle. Come on, man. But at least there are 3 wicks here. The selling may not be done, but all we can do is just hope, because the 886 is very well respected. That's it, man. Pivot here and run, or be invalidated. Your choice, XRP. Chat, what do you think is going to happen? Again, I hope you're having a wonderful Easter. I hope you enjoyed this little quick analysis on XRP to USD. Just new developments, selling off more severely than Bitcoin. Please leave a comment in the description below. I go live at 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern every day, for the most part. All right, streaming, that's what I primarily do if you're a new viewer. So I'll check y'all there. Hit me up. Until next time, respect the TA.